Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goyal and in this video we are going to solve a simple looking maths expression, but still many people fail to solve this because they cancel out the 6 with 6 and 6 divided by 1 as 6, which is the incorrect answer. Because when you have given multiple sign like division and multiplication, then you have to follow PEMDAS rule, which says that first you have to solve parenthesis, then exponent, then multiplication and division both have same priority, but you have to solve it from left to right. Similarly, addition and subtraction have same priority, but you have to solve it from left to right. So 6 divided 1 by 6 times 6. So here is division and multiplication. So as we discussed, multiplication and division have same priority, but we have to solve it from left to right. So we can't cancel out earlier like 6 with 6 because there is a division sign first. So we have to solve this part first. So 6 divided 1 by 6. So the question arises that 6 divided 6 or 6 divided 1 by 6 is the same thing or a different thing. Yes, it's different thing. This give us 1 and this give us, you have to follow KCF rule here. That means K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. That means keep the left hand, change the symbol and flip the right hand. So it becomes 36. See, there are two different answers. This give us 1 and this give us 36. So you should know this rule. So let's apply here. 6 multiply 6 by 1 times 6. So it becomes 6 times 6 times 6. 6 times 6 is 36 times 6 is 216. So what is the correct answer? 216. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.